Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to fix this copy of Microsoft Office is not activated 2025. 1. Update Microsoft Office. Open any Office application, example, Word or Excel. Click on File, Account. Under Product Information, select Update Options. Update now. 2. Run Office as Administrator. Close all Office programs. Press the Start button and type the name of an Office application. Example, Word. Right-click the application icon and choose Run as Administrator. If prompted, select Yes to allow the app to make changes. Attempt to activate Office again by going to File, Account, Activate Product. 3. Check User Account Control or UAC settings. Press Windows plus R, type Control Panel, and press Enter. Navigate to User Accounts. Change User Account Control settings. Adjust the slider to Never Notify and click OK. Restart your computer and try activating Office again. After activation, it is advisable to revert the UAC settings to its original level. 4. Verify system date and time. Right-click on the clock in the taskbar and select Adjust Date or Time. Ensure the date, time, and time zone are correct. Enable Set Time automatically if it is not already turned on. Restart your computer and attempt activation again. 5. Check for multiple Office installations. Press Windows plus R, type appwiz.cpl, and press Enter to open programs and features. Look for multiple versions of Microsoft Office. If duplicates are found, right-click the older or unnecessary version and select and install. Restart your computer and try activating Office again. 6. Repair Office installation. Press Windows plus R, type appwiz.cpl, and press Enter. Find Microsoft Office in the list. Right-click it and choose Change. Select Repair and follow the on-screen instructions. After the repair process completes, restart your computer and attempt activation. 7. Temporarily disable antivirus and firewall. Attempt to activate Office. If successful, re-enable your security software immediately to maintain protection. 8. Update Windows. Press the Start button. Type Check for updates and press Enter. Click Check for updates and install any available updates. Restart your computer and try activating Office again. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!